Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board our 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This one is a little bit special. One of the places that starts is on the outside of the hull. This has a gray hull. It's something that needs to be seen to be appreciated. You don't notice the subtle differences in the picture, but actually in person on the water, it's a really cool difference. This boat is something that when we ordered it, we built as if it were our own. So let's go front to back and talk a little more about it. Starting at the back, you've got Mercury's new V6 power, 3.4 liters, naturally aspirated, incredible engine to be in front of. That's a 200 horsepower, range topping, and in white. Of course, you can see they updated the rear seating in this 2020 Montauk. So you now have flip seats at the rear. Every bit the functionality you're used to, but a sleeker look and honestly very comfortable. This also has the nicest option for a Helm seat. You've got bolsters, you've got a live well below you, and just honestly a great place to spend the day because of how well riding this is. You've already got the stereo, you've already got trim tabs. That 200 gives you digital controls. The only thing you're ever gonna need here is your choice of electronics for your GPS and sounder. Hey, you guys want an insider tip? This boat has a canvas T-top. More square footage and shade than the fiberglass hardtop, and it costs less. Again, we built it like it was ours. This boat is amazing. Come on forward and I'll show you a couple more things. The swim platform on this boat is expansive. Not only do they give you the traditional 2 drink holders at the rear, but they actually put 2 soft ones recessed into the pad. This boat also has the trolling motor for those of you who are gonna stick a Minn Kota or something from another brand up front. They also split the boxes. If you guys have never seen this before, there's now a fish box here and an anchor locker forward. You've got the tried and true classic igloo here, rod holders forward. This boat also has this stereo, JL Audio Fusion components. Guys, this is our 2020 Montauk. We're so thrilled to have it in Sarasota. And if you haven't done this yet, take a quick moment, link and subscribe. We're chasing 100,000 views right now. Guys, we'll talk to you soon. I'm Jeremiah, and this is MarineMax Sarasota.